Welcome to Touring Globe. Let's have a look at Saint Kitts and Nevis, the twin isles of the Caribbean. Aerial shot of turquoise waters and lush green mountains. In the heart of the Caribbean Sea, where the Atlantic breeze meets the gentle rhythms of the tropics, lie two emerald jewels, Saint Kitts and Nevis. A twin island nation, small in size but vast in beauty, history, and resilience. Together, these islands form the smallest sovereign state in the Western Hemisphere, just 261 square kilometers in total area, yet their story spans centuries of discovery, struggle, and renewal. 1. The birth of two islands. Lava rock coastlines, volcanic peaks rising through mist. Saint Kitts, known to its early inhabitants as Liamuiga, meaning fertile land, was formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. To the south, its sister island Nevis, from the Spanish Nuestra Señora de las Nieves, Our Lady of the Snows, glows under a ring of white clouds that often crown its majestic volcano. Nevis Peak, ancient petroglyphs, forest trails, and the blue Caribbean horizon. Long before European ships appeared on the horizon, these islands were home to the Colonial, or Carib people, expert navigators who moved among the Lesser Antilles. They fished, farmed, and lived in harmony with the rhythm of the land and sea. 2. The Age of Discovery and Colonization. Old maps and paintings of European explorers. In 1493, on his second voyage to the New World, Christopher Columbus sighted the island of Saint Kitts. But it wasn't until 1623 that the English, led by Sir Thomas Warner, established the first permanent European settlement in the Leeward Islands. Reenactment: English settlers building wooden houses, Carib villages nearby. Saint Kitts soon became known as the mother colony of the British Caribbean, a springboard for colonization across the region. But this foundation was built on tragedy. The indigenous Caribs were driven from their lands, and by the mid-17th century, the island became a hub for the transatlantic slave trade. 3. Sugar and sorrow. Cane fields swaying in the wind, ruins of sugar mills and plantation. For more than 200 years, sugar defined the life of Saint Kitts and Nevis. Vast plantations spread across the islands, worked by thousands of enslaved Africans brought from West Africa. Their labor created immense wealth for a few, and suffering for many. Wind through cane fields, rhythmic drumming in the distance. Yet from that suffering arose a culture rich in strength and spirit, a culture that would shape the soul of the islands forever. African heritage blended with European and Caribbean influences to create the unique rhythm of Kittitian and Nevisian identity. 4. Freedom and change. Dawn over Basseterre harbor, church bells ringing. In 1834, slavery was abolished throughout the British Empire. For the people of Saint Kitts and Nevis, freedom was both a triumph and a test. The plantations remained, and the economy still revolved around sugar, but the people began to forge a new destiny, one rooted in independence, education, and faith. 20th century markets, schoolchildren, sugar mills operating. Through the 20th century, the Twin Islands moved steadily towards self-rule. They became part of the Federation of the West Indies in 1958, and later an associated state of Britain. Finally, on September 19, 1983, Saint Kitts and Nevis declared its full independence, becoming the newest nation in the Caribbean. Independence Day celebrations, national flag raised. It was a moment of pride, the birth of a nation built on centuries of endurance and hope. 5. The modern nation. Cruise ships docking, bustling streets of Basseterre. Today, Saint Kitts and Nevis stands as a symbol of progress in a globalized world. The old sugar plantations have given way to tourism, financial services, and citizenship by investment programs. Visitors hiking Mount Liamuiga, exploring Brimstone Hill Fortress. The UNESCO World Heritage Site Brimstone Hill Fortress, once a symbol of colonial power, now stands as a monument to human resilience and architectural genius. Its cannons no longer guard against invasion, they guard history. Tranquil beaches, small inns, locals fishing at dawn. Across the narrow channel, the island of Nevis moves to a gentler rhythm. Known for its pristine beaches, historic inns, and as the birthplace of Alexander Hamilton, one of the founding fathers of the United States, Nevis preserves the grace and quiet charm of old Caribbean life. 6. People and culture. Carnival, calypso performances, church choirs. The heart of Saint Kitts and Nevis beats in its people, warm, proud, and deeply connected to their heritage. Music and dance are the lifeblood of celebration. During Sugar Mass, the national carnival, the streets fill with color, steel drums, and masqueraders in dazzling costumes. Local artisans weaving, farmers tending crops, students studying. Education is valued, and community life remains strong. The island's small size fosters a sense of closeness, where every face is familiar, and every voice contributes to the nation's story. 7. Challenges and the future. Renewable energy projects, coastal conservation work. Like many island nations, Saint Kitts and Nevis faces the challenges of a changing world, from climate change and hurricane threats to the pressures of modern development. Yet innovation shines through. Investment in geothermal energy, sustainable tourism, and environmental protection aims to secure a greener future. Students planting mangroves, solar panels glinting in sunlight. In their determination, the people of Saint Kitts and Nevis remind the world that small nations can dream big, and that greatness is not measured in size, but in spirit. 8. Closing reflections. Sunset over the Caribbean, waves washing against the shore. 2 islands. 1 nation. A story written in sugarcane and sea breeze, in courage and celebration. From the peaks of Mount Liamuiga to the tranquil shores of Piney's Beach, Saint Kitts and Nevis stands proud, a living testament to resilience, beauty, and the enduring power of freedom. Music swells, soft Caribbean steel drums blending into orchestral strings. This is Saint Kitts and Nevis, the twin jewels of the Caribbean, where the past whispers through the palms, and the future rises with the sun. Saint Kitts and Nevis, the twin isles of the Caribbean. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.